After doing up all the bolts, I replaced the support pieces. These there's 3 of these for each keyboard. They sort of push in, and then when we turn it over, you bend the contacts. Some of them were bent, others weren't. The middle keyboard, they didn't actually bend them. So I guess that's a sort of optional procedure. So it sort of goes in at the back and then pushes in at the bottom. Make sure the clip fits in securely. The last one on the bottom keyboard is difficult because of this cable in the way. So got to sort of slip the cable over first. Sort of manipulate it out the way while getting the piece in, taking care not to bite the cable. That's it there. There we go. And make sure it fits all the way in. There's a clip right at the bottom there that needs to fit in. You push that in, and then we can bend the ends over in order to finalize the fitting.